Okay, if we talk about digital classroom and physical classroom, there are many advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of digital classroom that the teaching can take place at any time, anywhere, to large gathering, no limitations, no time limitations, but it cannot substitute the physical classroom teaching, because the teaching has a different aspects. And कहते हैं, though it can in physical classroom teaching we have a limited audience, we cannot go beyond, but in teaching most important thing is the non-verbal communication, which is passed through the body language of the teacher as well as the persons, those who are present in the class. So first we have to understand the different style of teaching, and in our Sanskrit language the teaching is described into 6 different categories. The first is only the information, that is adhyapan, and the teacher is called adhyapan. There the elementary education where the teaching is information is passed, a student is learn how to what is A B C D, he just mugged it up, he understands. And the second category comes the higher education, that is where the information plus knowledge, that where the person, teacher is generally called upadhyaya, and the teaching is the information plus knowledge. That is in, like, if we are studying physics in class 12 or chemistry in class 12, so we know what is the use of my different microns and atoms, and that is what is goes all about. Then the third category where hotel management comes in, or any other graduate skill oriented vocational program training comes in, then it is information plus knowledge and plus skill. The teachers are generally called acharya, but without presence of the student in the classroom, it is very difficult to pass on information, because in skill training non-verbal communication and physical monitoring of the activities is equally important. It's just like if I have to study surgery in medical, it can be seen and understand virtually or on the videos or any other apps, but one has to perform at a site and the instructor has to monitor it. Otherwise the surgery will become haywire and kill the person. The same thing happens for all the vocational programs, skill oriented programs, and that's where the other 3 categories are research scholars and other we are not talking about. So when we talk about digital classroom and physical classroom, hospitality education, it is more important to have a physical classroom, though digital we can provide certain information digitally, but basic it is physical. Thank you.